Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you where you can find the select tool and how to switch to it in the CapCut video editor in 2025. So let us get started. So as you can see here in the video clip I'm currently editing, guys, I'm using the select tool, which means I simply move the cursor over the given video clip on the video track here in the timeline and select it with my left mouse, or right click into it to access various editing features. So if you'd like to switch to another tool, you may simply click into that drop-down menu here in the top left corner, and you will see the select tool at the top with the shortcut A. You may also navigate to the split tool, and after that the cursor will change to this here. So if you accidentally unselected the select tool and would like to switch back to it, guys, simply click into the drop-down menu and select this tool here, or use the shortcut A, and after that you will be able to select your video clips on your timeline again. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.